Hello everybody, my name is Micky Boomin. I'm a dancer, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the link down below. Please click on it and turn on post notifications, okay? I'm a dancer, so I post videos, I post tutorials also. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Hello everybody, welcome to my first dance tutorial class, okay? So today, I'll be teaching you guys the famous 3-walk TikTok dance. The famous 3-walk TikTok dance, okay? Okay, so this is how it goes, okay? So now you stay like this, stay straight, okay? So your right leg moves forward while your left foot, you take it up like this, okay? Like this. Boom, boom. Then you move like this, okay? Boom. Can you see it? So smooth. Then you go like this, boom. You do the same thing to the left and the right leg, okay? The left leg moves forward, then your right leg moves up, okay? There you go. Boom. Very simple. You go. Boom. Boom. So simple, okay? You go. Boom. Boom. Then you do it again the third time, okay? Boom. So it's 3, okay? That's why it's called the 3-walk. Go. Boom. 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 So simple. Then after you've done the 3-walk, then to cap it all off, what you gotta do? 1, 2, 3. Then this your right leg moves up. Then while you stand on your left leg like this, boom. You see? It's like this. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. Boom. You go. Boom. So simple. You go. Boom, 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 boom. Then put some flares, okay? Some style, some swag, okay? You go. Boom, 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 boom. So simple. You go. Boom, 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 boom. Now, that is the 3-walk, okay? You go boom, 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 then boom. The final boom. So now, then from there you continue doing it. But next time, instead of doing 3-walk, it will be the 2, okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you see? So simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So simple. So from here, your right leg moves forward, then you stand on your left foot, okay? Boom, then again, boom, then stand, boom. So simple. Now let's do it one more time. Boom, 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 boom.
If you see the homies with the guap, with the knots in the rows, that's how I know you niggas really broke. With no goals, and it shows. The money blue, designer shoes, Jimmy Choo.
Now, that is how to do the 3-walk dance. Thank you so much, everybody. I hope you learn it and post videos on TikTok or Instagram or any of your social media platforms. And make sure you do the 3-walk dance and put hashtag Micky Boomin. Follow me on Instagram, Micky Boomin. Follow me on YouTube, Micky Boomin, on TikTok also. Thank you so much. Remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.
If you see the homies with the guap, with the knots in the rows, that's how I know you niggas really broke. With no goals, and it shows. The money blue, designer shoes, Jimmy Choo.